Good day, and today we will focus on writing an effective introduction for a problem solution essay and analyze its structure. Before we begin our lesson, I want to emphasize that there are various structures we can learn for crafting introductions. However, addressing all parts of the question in Ielts Writing Task 2 is crucial for improving our scores. Remember, reviewing the band descriptors for writing tasks can also enhance our writing effectiveness. In today's lesson, by learning this introduction structure, you'll discover one of the ways to strengthen your understanding of Writing Task 2 and improve your overall writing skills. Start with a hook. Begin with a compelling statement, statistic, or question that grabs the reader's attention. This could be a surprising fact about the problem or a thought-provoking question. Introduce the problem. Clearly state the problem you will be discussing. Provide some context to help the reader understand the significance of the issue. Explain the impact. Briefly outline the effects or consequences of the problem. This helps to emphasize why it is important to address the issue. State the purpose of the essay. Indicate that you will be discussing potential solutions. This sets the stage for the rest of your essay. Create a thesis statement. End your introduction with a clear thesis statement that outlines the main points you will discuss in the essay. This provides a roadmap for your readers. Explain some of the ways in which humans are damaging the environment. What can governments do to address these problems? What can individual people do? So, let's start writing a well-structured introduction. With millions of vehicles manufactured and sold each year to meet the growing demands of transportation, the environmental consequences are becoming increasingly dire. This sentence serves as our hook, grabbing the reader's attention and showcasing our writing skills effectively. It's beneficial to start with a hook rather than immediately stating the problem, as it demonstrates to the examiner our understanding and ability to write compellingly. One of the most serious issues confronting society today is the rising levels of greenhouse gases emitted by vehicles, which contribute significantly to climate change and air pollution. In here we wrote that the main problem is the gases, which has a negative impact on air pollution. Not only does this pollution negatively impact wildlife, but it also poses serious health risks to humans, making it increasingly difficult to live in urban areas. In this sentence, we discuss the effects of the problem in detail, highlighting how it impacts wildlife and human health. This essay will examine the various ways in which people are damaging the environment and suggest actionable measures that both governments and individuals can take to mitigate these issues. While it may not be strictly necessary, it's helpful to include a brief statement about the purpose of the essay. This provides the examiner with an overview of what we will discuss in the following sections. You might think that the thesis statement is the appropriate place to elaborate on our purposes in detail. However, it can be more advantageous to outline the purpose just before presenting the thesis statement. And the last sentence is our thesis statement, which is the most important part of our essay. By implementing stricter regulations on car production and encouraging responsible car usage among individuals, we can significantly reduce environmental damage. In here we wrote in detail, mainly answered to the questions above. That is why this is the thesis statement. And the main difference between thesis and purpose in our today's essay is it is common to include the two main ideas in the thesis statement, as this helps to clearly outline the direction of your essay. While the purpose statement can hint at the main ideas, it is generally more focused on the overall aim of the essay rather than detailing specific points. Including both can enhance clarity, but ensure that the thesis statement is strong and clear as it guides the reader through your argument. This is our introduction, friends. It's up to you to choose the best structure for writing introductions, but always aim to include a strong hook and clearly state the overall purpose of your essay before thesis statement in problem solution essays. Doing so can significantly enhance your writing and help you achieve higher scores. Never stop practicing.